Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. Notion has recently unveiled an exciting new feature, Notion AI. Accessible directly within your workspace, this powerful tool offers a range of capabilities designed to streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Let's explore some of the key functionalities available with Notion AI. One of the most useful features is the ability to summarize lengthy pages or notes. If you've compiled a large amount of information and need a concise overview, Notion AI can quickly generate a summary, saving you valuable time and effort. This can be incredibly helpful for quickly grasping the key takeaways from meetings, research papers, or extensive project documentation. Notion AI can also help you refine your writing. Whether you need to improve the clarity of your text, adjust the tone, or fix grammatical errors, the AI writing assistant can offer suggestions and improvements. It can help you translate your ideas into polished, professional prose, making your writing more effective and impactful. For those struggling with writer's block, Notion AI can be a game changer. It can provide writing prompts, generate blog post ideas, create outlines, and even compose entire paragraphs of text based on your input. This can help jumpstart your creativity and overcome the initial hurdle of starting a new piece of writing. Beyond writing assistance, Notion AI can also translate text into different languages, making collaboration and communication across borders significantly easier. This feature can be particularly useful for international teams or individuals working with multilingual content. Finally, Notion AI offers a helpful to explain this feature, which can break down complex topics into simpler terms. This is a great tool for learning new concepts or quickly understanding unfamiliar terminology within a document. Notion AI is a powerful addition to an already versatile platform. By integrating these AI-powered features directly into the workspace, Notion further solidifies its position as a leading productivity and collaboration tool. Be sure to check out the link in the description to learn more and try Notion AI for yourself.